Hello, gentlemen and ladies. Welcome to Chef Salim's recipe channel. In this video, we will make chicken pilaf, a traditional street flavor, a food that is among Turkish street flavors. I soak 2 kilograms of rice in warm water for 1 hour, and then I wash it. I add liquid sunflower oil to the wide pot where I will make the pilaf and wait for it to heat up. I will use one 500-gram pack of vermicelli, and I will use the meat from 2 whole-boiled chickens. There will be plenty of chicken in it. Make sure there are no bones, and do not forget to use the chicken broth you boiled after straining it through a strainer for the pilaf. Boiled chickpeas. 1 bowl like this is enough, and you can increase the amount optionally, 1 whole chicken per 1 kilogram of rice. Now in the text, I add a little to the vermicelli and stir immediately. It browns right away. Keep stirring the vermicelli constantly. I wait for the vermicelli to brown evenly, and I will not over roast it too much. When it gets too brown, the vermicelli gets roasted even more together with the rice, and this time the appearance may not be nice. It will brown a little, and I will immediately add the rice. As rice, I use Baldo rice or Osmancık rice. There may be different types of rice on different devices. The type of rice we use in the chicken pilaf is Baldo rice. We do not use very long-grain jasmine or basmati rice. I measure the rice in a bowl, and I will adjust the water with the same bowl. So if 2 kilograms of rice comes out to be 2 bowls, I will add 2 bowls of water. If you use such a wide pot, it will be healthier, and you will get a more separated, non-sticky pilaf. I also added the salt to the rice by measuring. For 2 kilograms of rice, when we add 2 kilograms of water, it becomes 4 kilograms of ingredients, and 60 grams of salt is added. If you also count the chicken, 80 grams of salt should be added. I add a bit of black pepper. I roast the rice a bit on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. I stir with a wooden spoon. Do not stir constantly either. Be gentle. We are waiting for the rice to be slightly roasted. After boiling, we separated the chicken from the bones, and after cutting into pieces, we added it without any water. In the same way, after boiling, you can add, this kind of pilaf can be made with meat too. Let's also add the boiled chickpeas on top, then we will give it a quick stir and add the water. We add the chicken broth while boiling hot. As I said, for 1 bowl of rice, I add 1 bowl of water, but also calculate the vermicelli. If with vermicelli, it's 1.5 bowls of rice, then it will be 1.5 bowls of water. I had measured the water beforehand, so I boiled it and added it directly. After mixing it like this, we close the lid immediately, and after lowering the heat to a low level, we wait about 10 minutes and then turn off the heat. Let's also cover it with a cloth so the steam doesn't escape from the lid. This way you can cover the pot with a cloth. After 10 minutes, I turn off the heat and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then you can stir it. After stirring, it will rest once more and then it will be ready to serve. Stir it a little from the edges, from the middle, turn top to bottom. The rice became grain by grain. Very nice. Let it be ready to serve. So no need to wait anymore. That's it, my friends. Sorry and so on. There are those who sell it on the streets. See you in new recipes and food videos. Goodbye.